Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a simple Python script that can be executed as a bash script. We'll cover the basics of creating a Python script, adding the necessary shebang line, and making it executable from the command line. Let's create a Python script that takes a directory path as a command line argument and lists all the files in that directory. Open your favorite text editor and create a new file. Let's name it list_files.py. This script defines a function list_files that takes a directory path as an argument, lists all files in the directory, and prints them. Add the shebang line at the beginning of the script to indicate that it should be executed using the Python interpreter. Open a terminal, navigate to the directory containing your script, and make it executable using the chmod command. Now, you can run the script from the command line, passing a directory path as an argument. This will list all the files in the specified directory. In this tutorial, we created a simple Python script that can be executed as a bash script. We covered adding a shebang line, making the script executable, and running it from the command line. You can extend this example by adding more functionality or modifying it to suit your specific needs. ChatGPT.